usapang negosyo naman tayo. Silipin natin itong spa business.
Uy.
Yan, panoorin po natin ito.
Offer signature body massage, combination of Shiatsu Swedish relaxation that you can stay 5 hours. Sa 5 hours, we have the eat all you can buffet and shabu-shabu. Sa 5 hours of stay, if you want to add on other selected services, we will give you 50% discount like foot spa, hand spa, facial, body scrub, and body wash. We have the ups and downs. So like for example, during the pandemic time, so syempre wala tayong mga, kumbaga nagsarado lahat ng mga ibang establishment. Struggles during pandemic time, we pay for the rentals for 2 years. So yun ang malaking struggles. That's the biggest struggles na kailangan namin i-settle things out. Nag-create kami ng marketing group, nag-leafleting kami to all the frontliners, doctors, nurses, in different hospitals to give them special discounts para at least kahit paano makatulong po kami at the same time mabigyan sila ng big discount. Katulad ko, nagpunta po ako sa mga hospitals. It's more than 10 hospitals. I put my mask, I put my windshield, shields, face shields. So yun po, para lang po maibalik namin, may angat namin yung establishment, yung business namin, para bumalik lahat ng mga customers. After the pandemic, we had to push through para tumaas ang sales namin or target sales. So we put some marketing strategies like mga promos. I believe in saying 2 heads is better than 1 head. So nagbe-brainstorming po kami, then meet the owner para mapag-usapan kung paano po natin mapapataas ang sales at bumalik uli ang mga regular customers. One of the best goal is harmonious relationship. Then we see to it na sa bibigay naming services sa kanila is mabigyan sila ng customer satisfactions. Marami nagbago sa buhay ko. Sa personal is maturity. Then na-practice din yung aking salesmanship as a sales manager. So marami pong nagbago sa akin, nag-matured, nag-explore. Sabi nga nila, for greener pasture. Ang advice ko lang po is be patient. So, syempre, hindi naman po, pag halimbawa na nag-put ka ng businesses, agad-agad po siyang lalakas. So, ang mangyayari po niya, magkakaroon tayo ng standard operating procedures to make the business grow. Then, yun nga po, kailangan po, meron tayong proper communications sa mga tao, proper communication sa owner. Yun po, ang pinakamaganda kasi is yung harmonious relationship. Maganda rin yun, isa sa mga factor para kahit paano kapag mag-put up ka ng business is alam mo in the near future mag-grow siya. Tara, negosyo tayo!